see, that's what you want. That's what you want with every course once you install.
For your free consultation and estimate, or go to one of our websites. See the lumber, what we've done here, instead of putting a column in the bottom.
Action. I'm here with Andy and Mary Beth Thompson in Glen Rock, New Jersey. We just finished installing All Sides Prodigy siding. And guys, what can you say about the installation? How do you like New America Construction Service? Great. And would you recommend them to family and friends?
Absolutely, yes. They would
Trim board, we're getting a nice panel look on it. We have some cove molding between the blocks. It's just finishing up right now.
What did you think about the price? Did we work with you? Here we just installed vinyl cedar shake siding on this house. We're on the front now, and as you can see, it was a tear-off. Straight siding and carpentry work at John's house from Livingston. And John, basically, we want to say, what do you think about the job that we just completed?
Well, again, it's excellent work. This is the second time Bruce and his crew have worked here. They resided the whole house, and I was very pleased. And when I needed this